Hello, my name is Michaela Cox, and I'm a registered dental hygienist with Clay County Public Health Center. This oral health presentation is designed for kindergarten and first grade. Today, we are going to learn all about our teeth. Let's start with why we need our teeth. We need our teeth for 3 reasons. The first is to smile. It's always nice when someone smiles at us, and when we smile at others. It's a great way to be friendly. The next reason is to talk. The way that we speak clearly so others can understand us is from our tongue hitting our teeth and the roof of our mouth. So we need our teeth so that we can talk and speak clearly. The last reason, and probably my favorite, is so that we can eat. We need our teeth so that we can chew food and swallow it. That way we can absorb all those vitamins and grow big and strong. We need our teeth to be strong, and our teeth are strong because they have 3 layers. Now, these layers or parts have some big names. The first layer is called enamel. Enamel is that white outer layer that you see whenever you smile. Your enamel is so strong. It's actually stronger than your bones. So the enamel is the strongest part of your body. The next layer is dentin, and the next is pulp. Now, like I said, these are some big words, but we're going to be talking about them when you're in 2nd and 3rd grade. But for now, all I want you to remember is that your teeth are strong because they have 3 layers. Now, it's our job to keep our teeth strong, and we do that a few different ways. We keep our teeth strong and healthy by eating healthy foods, brushing, flossing, and visiting the dentist. Let's talk about each of these. We want to choose healthy foods for our teeth and our body. When we choose these healthy foods, they don't have added sugars in them. That's good for our teeth. Also, these foods have lots of vitamins and nutrition. That's going to help us grow and be strong. Healthy foods are fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and dairy products. I always like to say, try to eat the rainbow. Now that sounds kind of funny, but can you name some red fruits and vegetables? Go ahead and think of some. What about yellow? Orange, green, blue, and purple. Hopefully you were able to name a lot of different healthy foods. These foods, like I said, are good for us because they don't have added sugar. Added sugar can be a problem for our teeth. When we eat sugar, what happens is that sugar is kind of absorbed in our mouth and can form something called a sugar bug. That sugar bug can sit on your tooth, and if you do not do a good job of brushing that sugar bug away or flossing that sugar bug away, what can happen is that sugar bug can dig a little hole in your tooth, and that hole is called a cavity. Foods that have a lot of sugar in them are candy, even some snack crackers like Cheez-Its, things like that. Those break down into sugars when we chew them. Fruit snacks, fruit roll-ups, those are all packed with sugar. We also want to stay away from sugary drinks like soda, some sports drinks, and some juices even have a lot of sugar. It might be a good idea to go look at any of those items now that you have in your house and see on the nutrition label, which you can ask your parents where to find that, how much sugar or how many grams of sugar is in that food or drink. We want to stay away from these foods as much as possible. We have some time now for a quick activity. You'll need a few supplies for this. You'll need 2 pieces of paper. You can either draw a large tooth on it, Or maybe cut out the shape of the tooth like the picture below. Draw a happy face on one tooth and a sad face on the other. You'll also need some pictures of healthy foods and sugary foods. You can maybe find pictures online and print them off with your parents' permission, or look in some old magazines and cut out pictures of food. And what I want you to do is sort which foods are healthy for us and put them on the happy tooth, and which foods are unhealthy for us and put those on the sad tooth. Hopefully, by doing this activity, you can make good choices of which foods are good for your teeth. Go ahead and take some time to do that now and pause the video. I hope you enjoyed that activity and that you were able to see which foods are good for your teeth. Let's continue on. Another way that we keep our teeth strong and healthy is by brushing. There's 2 S's that I want you to remember with brushing. The first is to use a soft bristle toothbrush. Bristles are what you actually brush your teeth with, and we want those to be soft. When you go to the dentist and you come home with a toothbrush, it's most likely going to be soft. If you go to the store and get one, there's a few different options there. So make sure your parents choose a toothbrush that has the word soft on the package. We want to choose a soft bristle toothbrush because it's most gentle on our teeth and gums. Don't worry, it's still going to do a great job of cleaning your teeth. The second S is for small circles. When we brush, we want to point our toothbrush towards our gum line. Our gum line is the pink part that wraps around the white part of our tooth. We want to brush in small circles so that those soft bristles sweep right under the gum line. Plaque or germs can hide out there as well, so we want to clean those areas. Brush the outside surface of your teeth, the inside surface of your teeth. Open wide, brush the teeth in the very back of your mouth. Those are called your molars. Those of you who are 6 or 7 years old, you are already starting to get your adult molars. These are permanent teeth that you are going to have the rest of your life. So it's very important that you take care of them. Also, we can brush our tongue. This is an easy way to help with any stinky breath we may have. The next way that we can keep our teeth strong and healthy is by flossing. Our toothbrush does not clean in between our teeth. So to get the plaque that is in between our teeth, we need to use floss. If you're new to flossing, it's okay to have your parents help you. You can use regular string floss, and you can get that from the store, or floss picks. Those might be a little bit easier to handle if you're just beginning. We want to make sure that we are flossing once a day and brushing 2 times a day. Visiting the dentist is another way to keep our teeth strong and healthy. When we go to the dentist, we might get pictures taken of our teeth called x-rays. The dental hygienist will clean our teeth, make them all sparkly and shiny. And the dentist will check your teeth to make sure you don't have any cavities.